Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to the stream once again. Everyone, please let me know, can you hear me loud and clear? Please let me know in the chat, then I will start sharing my screen. Okay, nice. Hi, hello brother, how are you? Okay, right now I'm looking on gold. I hope gold will reach this level today, like 4489 level. So if it comes back to this level or maybe this level, I will be go for short. And from this level, it's almost 200 pips from this level. Actually, I'm missing on this trade. Like I'm on this one, I'm planning to get sell from this level, something like this. But I'm missing on this one because it doesn't get back to my level. So let's see. Before getting this level, if it comes back once again, taken out these highs, then that will be my setup. If it does so, something like this. And if it goes straight way to this level, then I will miss out this trade, but it's almost 200 pips. Let's see, 1 hour candle is already closing. It was nice. And I want to see at least take out some liquidity upside. And how are you guys? Are you done trading for today or still waiting for your setup? And what's your bias on gold? Let me know in the chat. Okay, it looks good. I just want to see to take out these highs before it goes down. That's my plan. Yesterday, I'm not getting any setup, and yesterday is lots of bank holidays, so I skipped yesterday. And if I trade today, then this will be my first trade for this week. I only left $29 in my master account to bridge. Please give me one step. Please give me break even in my master account. But then, first of all, I don't know your account size, and if your account size is like 5K, then you still have point 0.6 for your rigs. So you can rigs that point 0.6 and you can get for 1:1 or 1:2 so that it can give you some space. But otherwise, as a trader, like don't think for in just one trade you will get all your loss back. Just try it slowly and you can do it too. Like in my past few months, I have done like almost my account is almost draw down for 9% and I came to break even again. But it was not happening in just one trade. 15-minute candle closing is also very nice. About 3 minutes. Okay. Five. 1 hour. 45. Okay. And it's very early too. It's I love trading after 8:30 almost in New York time. So we have lots of time for today, like almost 2 to 3 hours from now. But don't be very rushed on that. Just wait for your setup if you have one. For me, before taking out these lows, I want to see to get back to this level or maybe this level. Respected this level, and if I see some price action that suits my plan, then I will execute this trade on sell side. Bro, how do you find your daily bias? For me, daily bias, I always start analyzing the market from higher time frame, like weekly time frame and all. I will start weekly time frame and then daily time frame, and I will come down to 4 hour for intraday and 1 hour. But first of all, I look for the first priority for me is to understand the direction of the market. First, I understand the direction of the market, then I will look for liquidity or gaps to fill up. That will be my point of interest. And I will apply some knowledge about power of three, the manipulation side and the distribution side. I will identify in higher from higher time frame. Then I will wait for New York sessions to for my setup. So that's how I identify the market. The first thing I look in the market is the market structure. Like in daily time frame or 4 hour, like in higher time frame, I just want to be very, very clear about the market structure, current market structure. And first, if I understand the market structure, let's say am I in bullish, then market will be in the form of higher highs and higher lows. And then I will look for phases, like it may be retracement phase or expansion phase. So for me, as of my setup, I don't trade on retracement or counter trend. I love to trade on expansion phase. So I will wait for expansion to happen, and then I will wait for New York sessions. I only trade, mostly trade in New York sessions as well. So I will wait for that. Okay, price is nice, nice. Price is doing what I want right now. Okay, let's wait for some confirmation. Tell me how much time you will took for your first payout in trading journey. My first payout from funded account, uh, I think it took me around, because I started trading in 2019, and I started trading with prop firms like funded account from mid 2021, and then I got my first funded on 2022, and after 4 or 5 months I got my first payout, but that is not consistent payout, just I got my first payout. I think that was lucky one. So it took me around 2 to 3 years to get to the payout stage, the first payout stage, but that was not consistent. But after, I got some consistent from 2024. So that's my real journey on that. So that's my journey. And my first payout is something like, I would say, I think it was around $500. That was my first payout. If price react to the zone, what should be your confirmation for short? Okay, if it reacts to the zone, I just want to see to respect this level, and I want to see a very good breakout structure downside, or maybe a very good candle close downside. This is in 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, but I want to see on 5 minute and 15 minute as well for more confirmation. Okay, 5 minute closing will be in next 1 minute. What about 15? 15 minutes is also doing good. Let's see. I just want to check something about this one. Okay, I took a sell over here. Nice. I just want to target this low right over here. I just want to take some parcels. If it comes below this low, it will be my parcel area. This will be. This will be my first TP. Let's see. It's right over here. So this is my first trade for this week and first trade of the day. So if I hit my TP, then I will be done trading for today. Or if I stop out on this trade, still I got one chance for today, just one more trade. That will be, I will give some break on that. So right now it's almost 8:25. So I will be trade or took the trade after 9:30 only. In loss almost 20 funded account and pass only two account, and don't get any payout. What will you advise me? I do trading for 1 year almost. Brother, first of all, yes, I really appreciate for your trial, but just do journaling. Journaling is very, very much important as a trader. You have to journal your each and every trade, each and every loss, each and every win. You need journaling. And just find out your mistakes, study the mistake, and don't ever try to repeat that mistake again in your next trade or next day or maybe next week. So journaling is one of the key, and you must find out your mistake. And if you are doing another mistake, a very new mistake, then it's totally fine. That is part of the learning. But as a trader, we must try to not repeat our mistake once again. So you have to find out your mistake and study your mistake, and you have to be very, very flexible about your journey. So don't focus too much about your payouts or don't focus too much on your passing account. Just go with the flow, keep journaling, trade less, then always refer to higher time frame, as of my opinion, and you will keep improving on that. And don't give up, most importantly. So in my journey, I took around 4.5 years to become consistently profitable. So you are almost there. So keep trying. And this is on 5 minutes. Just remind yourself that why you just started trading, or why you just started this journey. So keep motivated yourself. I think it can do one more spike up to this level and push down, but let's see. It started consolidating again on this level. What about silver? My bias for Nasdaq is bullish, but I don't want to trade now. I will be only looking this one after 9:30 opening. So for now, let it be. I'm still bullish on Nasdaq, but for gold also I'm still bullish for long term. But for today, I'm very interested on this level, 4488 level. So from my entry level, this is almost 86 pips until this low. So I will take some parcels over here. Just try to improve yourself each and every day. That's it. Improve yourself in terms of your entry level, entry model, your TP, your stop loss, your risk management, your discipline with the market. So trading is all about decision making. You have to be a very good decision maker in such a very high pressure. So there will be lots of pressure on you, and you have to make the right decision on that. Okay, nice drop, nice drop, nice one. I will take some parcels right over here. Okay, I will take some parcels. Just okay. I'm taking some parcels on this low. It's almost 86 pips from the entry level, and you can hear the sound on that. So still running this one. I'm taking some parcels. And still my stop loss is not changing, it's still over here. And if it breaks downside and closing with a very good candle closer, then I will take another parcel. Okay, 5 minutes is looking good. What about 15? Okay, 15 also good. Okay, nice one. Good run. It's around 95 pips from the entry level. Anybody took this trade with me, guys? Let me know in the chat. Anybody who is entering on this level. Okay, good one. If I see any candle closer, then I just want to, in 5 minutes, then I will take another parcel before it hits my TP. Nice one, nice one. Okay, I'm taking parcels right over here. It can do some reverse. Maybe it can take out this high as well. That's why I'm not changing my stop loss. So it's not risk free for me, but still I have some risks on this trade. But I don't want to do break even right now. So that's the beauty of doing live trading, guys. So thank you so much to Tradin TV for giving me this opportunity as well. Like everything is recorded from the very, very beginning itself. Mhm. 15. Okay. Let me check something. Okay. All right. So don't force yourself, guys. Just know your setup exactly with retail. Just write down your setup, what exactly it looks like when you are short or when you are in buy, and then just wait for your setup. That's it. If you don't get today, that's totally fine. It will be another day. So from this entry level, it was running almost 115 pips. At 30, all right. I just want to see 4 hour. 4 hour will be closing in next 1.5 hours. What about 1 hour? Okay, 30 minutes is looking good as well. Let's see, guys. It can take out these highs one more time, and it can react from this level. Nasdaq can be, we can see another all-time high today on Nasdaq. So I will be trading only after 9:30. So I have lots of time for that. For now, I'm trading only in gold. So I just want to say that why I'm taking my first parcel right over here, because from this high to this low, the price was really, really in discount. And yes, it got some retracement right over here, but this was not uh, that good retracement. That's why if it takes out this low, it can do another retracement, take out this high once again, and it can fall back again to this level. So this is according to my trading plan. And for example, on this leg up, if it takes out this high nicely, reacted it from this level, or maybe from this level, and if I got entry on that, then this could not be my first TP. I can hold until my TP, but that's not according to this plan. First, you have to pay the trader first. That's it. Everything is not guaranteed, right? So I maybe lose on this trade, maybe win, but I have to play on my safe side. Okay. If this another 5 minute candle is closing below this low, then I will take another parcels. I just want to take another parcel if it break this low once again. Then I will manage my stop loss to something somewhere right over here. I do scalping sometimes, but my base trade is on swing trade. So I do scalping in 1 minute, 5 minute time frame, but I'm not trading in a single candle or just two, three candle. I just want to trade with this kind of a setup. That's my style for me. Let's see on silver. And still, guys, I'm not changing my stop loss. My stop loss is still here. Let's see. If I hit my stop out level, my stop loss, then I will look for another entry for today. But not now, maybe after 9:30 or 10. So as a beginner, like if you don't want to overtrade yourself, just keep a gap within your next trade. So you have to keep that gap at least 30 minutes or 1 hour. Hi, hello. Love your trading style. Thank you so much. Appreciate, brother. So I do myself like this is according to my plan, but I suggest to all of you, those who are beginner, always keep a gap within your trades. So if you are done trading with one entry, maybe TP or stop loss, if you want to do again another trade, don't try to take that trade immediately after your TP or loss. Just take some break for minimum 20-30 minutes. And just one or two trade per day is more than enough. That is more than enough. So we are not that much confident, or market will not show us our trading plan according to us like 5 times 10 times a day. So if you are getting your setup just one or two trade per day, that is more than enough. Just close your laptop, shut down your computer, and then you can do journaling or you can play games. Just don't focus on the chart. That's done. You are done for the day. Let's see, it can respect this level. If it doesn't respect, then I will hit my stop loss. Okay, the momentum is very, very good on buy side right now. I just want to check higher time frame. It can respect from this level as well. This one. So guys, this candle closer is very, very good in upside. So it can get some retracement until this level. If it wants to goes down, I know. So I just want to close this trade before hitting that one. Uh, and I will look for another trade. What about Nasdaq? Nasdaq is also hitting upside, reacting from this level. This was breaker block right over here on 5 minute time frame. This is S&P. I think on 9:30 we can do some manipulation downside for Nasdaq and S&P. Maybe same with gold. I don't know. Okay, so I will tell you my plan. I'm closing this trade because the 5 minute is not looking good to upside. So I will close right now before it hit my full stop loss. And then if it comes down and break down, if it shows me break of structure downside once again, I will do re-entry again. Or if it reaches to this level, and then if I see some momentum downside, then I will do take another trade on gold. I'm very, very interested on this level, like 4488 level. So that's it, guys, for today. And I hope you watch this live uh, and you learn something. You enjoy this live. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. See you again in next week from me, from my side. But Trading TV will be live every day on this time. So you can learn from every trader on this live. So thank you so much, everyone. See you again next time. Bye bye.